Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. All the way up.
Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Buddy. Today I came with a free airdrop to OpenSea use. Naffiti is the first DAO governed gasless NFT marketplace, run by the people for the people. NFT DAO, $NAO, is a governance token that provides the community the ability to determine the direction and development of the Naffiti NFT marketplace. I think it is a best project and big airdrop. Naffiti announces airdrop to old users of OpenSea on January 5th. Airdrop will distribute on January 11th. 50% of $NAO tokens will be distributed to all addresses that have traded on OpenSea since day 1. The snapshot will be taken on December 31st, 2021, 12 o'clock. Use can claim this until June 30th. 20% of token is given to Naffiti NFT marketplace development, 20% for staking. Remaining 10% for LP incentives. We can check how much token can be claimed through connecting our wallet like this. Here we can see I will get these much token when airdropping. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching my video and please make sure that you subscribe this channel for more airdrop alerts.